The game is on. The room is electric. People are losing their minds over something happening on a screen, and you sit there, genuinely trying to feel it. But nothing comes. No rush. No investment. No care about who wins. And somewhere in that moment, you wonder, what's wrong with me? Nothing. Nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is simply wired differently. And once you understand how, you'll never feel out of place in that room again. Sports obsession isn't random. It's deeply psychological. When someone watches their team, their brain releases dopamine, the same chemical triggered by food, by love, by survival itself. The win feels personal because the brain has merged the self with the team. Psychologists call this BIRGing, basking in reflected glory. The team wins, and the brain experiences it as if you won. But here's what nobody tells you. Not every brain is wired to merge this way. Some people, and there are more of you than you think, have nervous systems that don't attach identity to external groups. They find their dopamine elsewhere, in ideas, in art, in deep conversation, in creating something with their own hands. Their sense of self doesn't need a team to feel complete. There's also something called need for cognition. People with high need for cognition are naturally drawn to complex internal worlds over external spectacle. They find more satisfaction in thinking deeply about something than in watching something happen. Sports, for many, is a spectator experience, and some minds were simply built to be participants, not spectators, builders, not watchers, thinkers, not cheerers. And then there's identity. Sports culture carries a specific social script. Knowing the stats, having a team, feeling the loss personally. For people who never adopted that script, not because they rejected it, but because it genuinely never felt like theirs. The pressure to perform enthusiasm they don't feel creates a quiet exhaustion, a sense of being permanently outside, something everyone else seems to understand. But here's the truth. The human brain has never had one single path to belonging. Some people bond over a game. Others bond over a book, a film, a shared silence, a late-night conversation that changes how they see the world. Neither path is more human than the other. You were never missing something. You were never broken for not feeling what the room felt. Your brain was simply finding its meaning somewhere deeper, somewhere quieter, somewhere that didn't need a scoreboard to tell you something mattered. You don't need to love what everyone loves to belong somewhere. Your kind of people are just looking for you in quieter rooms,